right, welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Cars, Styles and Less. And I'm your beautiful, nice, good, great, fun host, Unkupi the entertainer. Yeah, we just left engineering. I'm with Fian Sons. What did Robbie Lojewen? So we just finished. The conrods. Resizing. We resized these things. We bought bigger pistons. Anyone who wants 2-liter standard pistons must hit us up. We don't use standard shit. So sorry for the strong language. We don't use standard things. Yeah. So we got crank there at the back. So everything. Let's go build this thing. You know, some things need logic. Knowing which piston caps to use, knowing which piston size to use, it needs logic. It needs maths. That's school there. You can be skilled to be a mechanic, but school is also important because you will know, oh, you need this size. We need to resize the conrods so that they can gel nicely with the crank and resize the crank as well. All those things need maths. You don't just put and say RVI. RVI doesn't work here. This is a car. You're building a car to go to work. And these caps, guys, you don't just use any caps. You use the same caps that came with the engine. You don't just pick up caps then in any space then put here. They won't gel. So you need specific caps. There's also a direction, guys. This caps has a front and a back. I won't show you, but they have a front and a back. You don't just put these caps. But anyway, you'll learn one day. You are on VN Sons. Customs and class will teach you. Just come, you know the video, but it's Robbie where cars are always many. You'll see. Come. Now let's teach you. Welcome to school. Grade 1, engineering. Let's go. So guys, here is the block. Look at the block. It's been done inside. Pretty boring. Fresh block. Pistons. The old pistons that never worked. So anyone who wants them, give me a price. And the new pistons, conrods, crank. Yeah, so let's work very soon. You are talking to the block. We are talking to the block. This tool, we call it, you talk to the block. If you don't talk to it, what is it? No, my name is Minanuku. Block, I didn't talk to it. Hey, kupala pint chepe man. Hey, inchalele baraka. Chela pint chepe baraka. Oh, chepe oh sharp. 75. I didn't flow bra. Kono nyoko raka chela cha utura cha grachi. Kone le 55 years I 75. Ika silukishe noko. I chill. Oh, woman. Eshumuna kwele kege rila botse kisakiti. Irkr. Ke thoma ke iringr flop. Where are the old ones? Hela madoda. Wa mo tseba a ko be batho mo go di tamana. Go lebelle full. Are ya silver bullet mfana wana bala suka lapho man shit damana ba roka ka nnete mara ba tsewa batho koloing ya gago mona ba bora gudu hanya ka imo mona ya mo o tileng ka gona a kre suti ka kuli a suti ka yone na suti go yona motho o gona o jola mo koleng ya se teng ka yone ya bana ba botse na le a fisha o jola mo go di makule o se teng ka yona a ke thege a re lamis
Aniya, asam pujese. Eriki wafe.
o tala re ska tseba phaki
Wa beigol.
eish ba bona ke reng ke mona e dry smoothie jwa mo
Stand ka ma. Mpe 19 le rasheto.
money mo the art of an engine being built ne ya ba ya felletse ya fellela ya ba ya tsena ka rakolo ya ba ya shima after hole ya ke art you can know
Jadi video cila tahu jauh furu. Apa video cila dia mas? Kalau furu ini cila gua video kuente.
Full state.
Iya ini soal lagi. Aku ya tengah merah. Ini beli. Merah. Madranya mau ngadi.
ke mbona ntwe e ba masile drama mfa te bona botse
Nyaga.
Mara ape ko bina weekend ren ke ta khona o bina or ko bina ka ven
Ah, tsamlo bina ka ve.
mara tsamfana
Ah, na choice. Ape ka la boraro le rile thulu go ona ro starta diga.
ye fe ya ka mra ke ngentwe ke maza
Sure.
o de lo tsana di et
Fara tu. Baik gua nak kalau rasa tak tu ni dah.
Na bile le cha. Cha chef la tsuru jona di. Spaghetti.
no di fuko tsanya ma ke
Ali ka sfokoje. Apo sanje no tsar go le fokoje ga money replacement jayo.
agere
anduhele wabina mara gulishise A boxing room. Which is a shop where you can dustbin shop. Dustbin shop. Give it keep everything on as well. Go more teaching. Nandu hele. That's all you get.
Come rock old. Give me to go.
Oh, get three la old. Gang. What's the
Ocean Gates.
Ocean ball, Chabang Bafa.
Ocean Gates.
HX to the Z. Emba ebis. Apa lagi di kuile tawaja bari venele green idile ki X to the Z.
King into
I arile ki X to the Z. Bari mo metaka di ha ko mo gidi.
come phone.
Exhibit. Utile ka mo gane. No reporting about this guy who loves his van. He's always chilling in his van. He's always going around. That van is dirty, man. It's fast and dirty. But don't worry. What does he like? He likes speed. Oh, okay. Let's go knock at his house. Let's go express my aid. Surprise my aid. Go. And I want to peel a hula to him. Go. Oh, shit. Ecstasy. Oh, man. What the heck? Keep up.
Fella.
Downpipe. Oh, shit. It's ecstasy. Man, you love snooker. They told me you love snooker. We're gonna put a snooker in this thing. Ecstasy, I fucking snooker. Come on. Damn, what else? They say if you love your drinks cold, there's a fridge in your cabin, right? And there's a Hubley pipe on the roof. It's always on. Thank you, man. I'd like to thank everyone MTV base. Thank you, everyone. I'd like to thank Jackie Reid and John. Don't tell me the ecstasy. Look at that plasma movement flap. Look at that screen movement flap. Matasu untuk matasu. Aku cakap matasu. Matasu hati.
Hey man, Missy give 400 out of 23. Whoa.
Why are you doing this? What are you doing now?
Hey, maroni na.
Ke cherry days.
Mm.
Ke out.
Ah,
Awa. Awa. Wa. Ngopi you'll cut out, right?
you stop.
E be le gona ga le se. Nna se ke bo folla nya. Ke tšeng molongwe mo. Metro wa bona ke ne di oils. Okay, right. Once if you are
Some basket in this feeling.
So guys, wow, we are done. We completely finished the sub-assembly. We completely finished the sub-assembly. I think we'll put it in tomorrow, finish up tomorrow. Tonight we're just gonna call it a night. It's very cold, we're tired. So yeah. Now we'll just pack up. And we'll just, I don't know, we'll see what happens from here. But from here we're gonna continue tomorrow. I love the chambers, guys. Oh, the chambers look so neat.